Hey guys, I'm going to show you guys how to do image swap in Photoshop. So I have two pictures now. So I'm select the first picture. I'm going to swap. I'm going to lasso tool. Now I'm taking the selection right now. You can see it. So after taking the selection, I'm going to copy that selection. Okay, now go to the picture. I'm going to replace it. I'm going to paste that image. Before that, I'm using the guidelines to eye and nose areas. Now I got the selection. Now I'm going to scale it up. Control T. You can use the shortcut. I'm put it down the opacity a little bit down so I can see through it the image. So I put it on the correct place. Now I'm adjusting the face now. Okay, perfect, looks perfect. Okay, confirm. You can hit enter. Now I'm going to put it back to normal opacity range. Now select the layer, right click, select pixels. Now select under the layer. Now I'm going to select contract selection. I'm going to contract by 11 points. So now I'm going to clear that area like that way. You can see I have cleared the area. I'm going to select the both layers, and now I'm going to select this feature, auto blend layers. Right, I'm going to use stock images. Right, voila, you can see it's perfectly blend our image swap. So it's very nice, I hope. Okay guys, I hope you guys learned something from this video. So guys, see you in another video. Okay, good luck.